Are you thinking you're playing it safe by keeping your money in cash? Well, I have got some news for you. You're actually losing money. Yup, that's right. And I'm going to show you why keeping all your savings in cash might be one of the biggest financial mistakes you're making right now. Let me break it down for you. Inflation is a sneaky thief that slowly takes away the value of your money over time. What do I mean by that? Imagine you have had $100 sitting in your bank account 10 years ago. Back then, you could buy a lot more with that $100. But today, that same $100 might not even cover a nice dinner for two-person. This is what we call purchasing power. How much your money can actually buy, and thanks to inflation, your money buys less and less each year, even if the number on your bank balance stays the same. And here is the kicker: while your cash just sits there, quietly shrinking in value, the cost of everything around you is going up. Prices for groceries, rent, gas, and everything else. So, what can you do about it? Well, the good news is that there is a way to stop this from happening and even grow your money instead of letting it shrink. And no, I'm not talking about some risky get rich quick scheme. I'm talking about investing. By investing, you can beat inflation and even make your money work for you instead of it losing value sitting in your saving accounts. It can grow over time in things like stocks, bonds, gold, crypto, or real estate. Let me give you an example. Let's say you invested $1,000 into the S&P 500 index 10 years ago. The S&P 500 has historically given an average return of around 8% per year. That means today your $1,000 investment could have grown to around $2,900. Now let's compare that to cryptocurrency. If you had invested $1,000 into Bitcoin 10 years ago, it could now be worth $150,000. Oh my god, that's crazy, right? But of course, crypto can be volatile. So while the returns are potentially massive, the risk is higher too. And what about gold? Well, gold is often seen as a safe haven against inflation. If you had put that $1,000 into gold 10 years ago, today it would be worth about $2,200. Not bad. But compared to the S&P 500 and crypto, it's clear which one has delivered more growth. See the difference? Cash, on the other hand, barely grows at all, if anything. It loses value due to inflation. But wait, I get it. You might be thinking, but what if I don't want to put all my money into the stocks? Isn't that risky? Absolutely. Diversification is the key. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your money across different investments like stocks, bonds, crypto, gold, maybe even real estate, you are reducing your risk while still letting your money grow. And guess what? It's actually way less complicated than you think. There are so many easy tools out there, like robo advisors or ETFs, that do the hard work for you. Now, if you're really worried about inflation, there are also specific investments designed to protect your money from it. Ever heard of TIPS? Treasury Inflation Protected Securities. These are regular bonds, but with a twist. They are designed to race with inflation, so you're always ahead of the game. Other options could include things like gold or real estate, which tend to do well when inflation hits. These assets help you hedge against the rising cost of living, so you're not left behind while prices keep going up. So, what can you do today? Step 1. Don't panic. It's not too late to make your money work for you. Start by setting aside an emergency fund enough to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses in case something unexpected happens. But after that, put the rest to work. Don't just let your cash sit there losing value. There are tons of easy options to start investing. Even if you're a total beginner and you don't need a ton of money to get started, apps like Acorns or Robinhood allow you to invest with as little as $5. Take small steps today and watch how your future self will thank you. Trust me, you will be glad you didn't leave all your money just sitting there, shrinking away. So, now that you know the truth, are you going to let your money sit there and lose value? Or are you going to take action and start growing your wealth? If you found this helpful, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make your money work for you. Until next time, keep building that financial future. Good luck, see you.